Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm talking about skincares, and this is my first skincare routine before bed that I wanted to share with all of you. Before I had dehydrated skin that was acne prone, and then I started to use this routine at night and it has done wonders. So first, I remove any makeup that is on my face using one of my favorite makeup remover, the Sephora Liquid Makeup Remover. I usually apply a generous amount on a cotton ball and gently apply to my skin in a circular motion until all of the makeup is removed. Next, I wet my face and apply many small pea-sized amount of Shiseido cleansing foam on my forehead, cheeks, nose, chin. Then I wet my Devolve facial cleansing brush and begin cleansing the different areas on my face in circular motions for about 30 seconds each. Once every part of my face has been cleaned, I rinse with cold water. Then I use the Tatcha Rice Polish Deep Powder to achieve a much deeper clean. This really makes my face smoother and brighter. To use this, I pour a handful of green powder to my hand and mix it with water until there is a pastry texture. Then I apply this gently to my face with my hands and gently massages in my skin and rinse with water. Afterwards, I usually take a shower and pass my face dries with a clean towel and then sprays the Mario Badescu rose water to keep my skin hydrated and soft. Once the Mario Badescu spray is dry, I apply some Shiseido moisturizing cream using a Skin Gem roller and finish up by using a moisturizing lip balm from Dior, which keeps my lips nice and moist throughout the night. The Devolve skincare system comes with many different brush heads. It includes the large body brush can be used on hands and body. I usually apply soap or cleansers on my hand and body and then gently move the brush on my skin in circular motion while taking a shower. And this is Pumice Stone. I usually immerse my foot in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes, then wipe dry and apply the Pumice Stone to remove harsh cells at my elbow or underfoot. Thank you for watching these videos, and I hope this will help you keep your skin clean and healthy. Stay tuned for my next videos. Bye.